Charming full brick ranch with split floor plan and modern updates. Welcome to this beautiful full brick ranch style home built in 2000, offering 1,639 square feet of comfortable living space and a smart, split bedroom layout. Step inside to a spacious living room with soaring cathedral ceilings, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The oversized eat-in kitchen is a standout feature, boasting updated stainless steel appliances that stay with the home. From the dining area, French patio doors lead out to the freshly painted back deck, ideal for outdoor gatherings and summer evenings. The generous master suite includes a private bath and a large walk-in closet, while the 2 additional bedrooms and a second full bath are located on the opposite side of the home for added privacy. Recent updates include a whole house standby generator, a new HVAC system for both the home and the garage, a water softener, updated flooring, and a new garage door opener with keypad and remote controls. The garage and welcoming front porch both feature attractive epoxy flooring. Outside, you'll appreciate the extra wide driveway with additional parking space. Located just a few blocks from the park.